That's ABS Studio, right?
Was that
That's ABS Studio, the
OBS?
record OBS. Yeah,
You know it?
I was yeah, I used it for one client before because he didn't use a system that was recording calls, so I was recording calls through it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
This is complicated.
yeah,
You
very
see how much you're
complicated.
learning now with clothes? Uh,
It's
much more easy. Alrighty, so in this training, we are going over the rank and rent procedure. Um, I already explained the business objective for rank and rent. At the moment, it's just information gathering. We're working on the script as we're going. Okay, and this part was taking too long because after I heard Ola speaking, it says too long. Okay, and I added this part because just to make it a little bit more flow. Okay, so now we decided that in this question, it's very important. If we were to send, and you have to repeat here the you have to repeat the amount of leads that the client the prospect said at the beginning. So when you ask the question, can you estimate how many leads you're getting per day or per week? Doesn't matter if it says 2, 5, 10, 50, 100. Your next question is like, okay, so prospect name. If I were to send you and repeat the same amount of leads that they said before, so if they're getting 50 per week, you say, if I were to send you 50 more qualified leads per month, would you be able to handle that work volume? Okay, and that's very important because that will give us a very good idea of how much is that person willing to invest and if they can even handle the amount of work because they won't even know. Okay, they're like, yeah, just send me more leads. Okay, but if I send you 100 leads, do you have 100 people on the street to handle that kind of work? No, we have to hire. Okay, so that will give us a good idea what type of business we're talking about. Okay.
okay.
Alrighty. So how much will your business grow? I think we can take that for the moment. We can take that out. Don't ask that. So okay, and then you say our previous partner used to have an average ticket of $1,000 per visit per service. Is this within the ballpark of what you normally handle? Okay,
Yeah.
and this question again is very important because um, if that person gets out of 50 leads that we send, three that are qualified, he closes three, and he makes $3,000, then it's worth our service is worth his investment. Okay. So right, so let's take it from again from this part. Can I speak to you about this?
Okay. Can I speak up, to you about this?
Yes, I see a lot of the marketing efforts.
Okay, fantastic. Can I ask you about your name?
Yes, it's Wendy.
Hi, Wendy. Nice to meet you.
Much better. I can feel your smile. I can,
Yeah.
I can totally. I'm not even looking at you, and I feel your smile. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
How are you currently generating your leads today? Google My Business website, Google Ads?
It's mostly for Google My Business.
Okay, perfect. Would you like to get more leads via online? Oh,
Yeah.
that's,
Yeah. 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 Absolutely.
yeah. Can you estimate how many leads you are getting per day, per week?
We're getting about 32 leads per week.
32. And how many of these are qualified that you close?
I will say out of the 32, 10.
10. So, Wendy, if I were to send you 10 more qualified leads per month, would you be able to handle that work volume?
Yes, absolutely, we can.
Okay, perfect. So, our previous partner used to have an average ticket of 1,000 dollars per service. Is this within the ballpark that you're that you normally handle?
Yeah, it's about a little bit less than that, but it's okay.
Okay, Wendy, I think I have enough information here. Thanks for that. What we are going to do next is as soon as our contract expires, I'm going to give you a call back so you are ready to receive a few leads for free at no cost, and then we can have a meet to find out how they went.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, and then you hang up the phone. Okay, just one observation. Okay, remember how many leads they're getting per day is the volume. Because there's 50 leads they're coming in, but only 10 are qualified. Okay, that's
Yeah.
20%. That means like the other 40 are just asking for pricing or whatever. They're wasting your time or whatever. So out of the 50, 10 are good. So you have to take the biggest number. So if I were to send you 50 more
Yeah.
qualified leads
Okay.
per month, okay, would you be able to handle that work volume?
So in that case, Wendy said that she's getting 32. I'm gonna say, what if if I were to
Okay.
send you
Hmm.
32 more qualified leads per month?
32, correct. Okay. And but that's still we need to ask how many of those out of the 32 you can close. You're closing. That will give us a very good range of how to charge this client. Okay?
Yeah.
Because if they say, yeah, I'm getting 50 and I close 49, like, whoa, like you're good. Okay? I'm going to ask you, Ola, if you hear this kind of things, like try to put your business mentality in mind. Okay? If somebody says, I get 50 phone calls and I close 49 of them, immediately say, wow, you are a good closer. Congratulations to that. You see, I can't put that on the script because that needs to be natural. You need to listen. You need to listen. Put your business hat on, okay,
Yeah.
and listen to what they're saying. On the same on the contrary, say like I'm getting 50 calls per day, but I only close one. Wow, you must not be getting qualified leads. There's something going on there. Okay?
Yeah.
You see, I need you to put your business hat on. Okay?
You must be getting unqualified leads, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. Little by little, you get to know. Alrighty. Let's go for the beginning. Like ring.
Okay.
Hi, this is Alonso Window of Seattle.
Hi, Alonso. My name is Mia. I'm a local marketer and I work with a local window company generating leads for them. And they can't handle the amount of leads produced. And I'm looking to expand to my new partners. Can I speak to you about this?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. So, how are you currently generating your leads, Alonso, today?
It's a variety of ways between Google Ads, website, Google My Business.
Yeah, so you're using all, or are you using like Google My Business website, Google Ads
Very good. Mostly from the website.
from the website? Okay, perfect. Can you estimate how many leads you are getting per day or per week?
I will say about 20 per week.
And how 20? And how many of those leads are qualified that you close?
Out of those 20 people that call me, we close at least five.
Five. Okay. You must be getting unqualified leads for that. So, Alonso, if I were to send you 20 more qualified leads per month, would you be able to handle that work volume?
So you're saying that if today I close five qualified, you're gonna send me four times that?
Yeah, maybe more.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we have the workforce to handle that volume.
Perfect. So, our previous partner used to have an average ticket of $1,000 per service. Is that within the ballpark that you normally handle?
Yeah, it's about sometimes even more because if it's a house, it's 30 windows, then it's $1,000 each.
Yeah. Okay, Alonso. I think I have enough information here. Thanks for that. What we are going to do next is as soon as our contract expires, I'm going to give you a call back so you are ready to receive a few leads for free, no at no cost. And then we can have a meet to find out how they went. Sounds good?
Alrighty, sounds good.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, excellent. All right, fantastic. So, this is the baseline. Okay, when you start making contact with people, they're going to shoot back with things that I can't even think of. Okay, and don't worry about it. We're gonna keep improving and working it together. Okay, just bear in mind that since these are service companies, they are ready to answer the phone. The
Yeah.
majority of them.
Right. I already tried with them today because I was like, I didn't know that this is not the leads for cross brand. I found out that they are listening to the calls, and I was telling them the script for cross brand, and for sure they weren't interested at all. They said, no, no, we are not interested. Thank you.
Yeah,
And
call them
yeah,
again. Call them again. No worries.
yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. So, okay, this is on regards to that. Very soon, I think we're gonna have a training on the lead generation to building a list. I think I found a very good software for those leads, and you're gonna help me on that part as well.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is good, Ola. I think you're very good caller. I can remember. I can feel your smile. I'm not even looking at you, and I
Yeah.
already feel your smile. You're very sweet, very smooth. Um, pay attention to it, and pay attention to this. Questions that I can't put on the script because otherwise it's going to be a 50-page script. But
Yeah.
eventually we're going to get very good at it, and you're going to be able to handle them all.
Thank you so much, Alonso. I really appreciate these words.
Awesome.
Thank-
No problem.
So now I'm gonna start doing calls with this script for the rent,
Rank
the
and
the
rent. Rank and
rank
rent.
and rent.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
Okay. Excellent.
All right.
I'm here
Thank you.
working as well. Ask me any questions that you want.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank